Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can pair Libratone headphones with any MacBook. First of all, you need to click on the power button and hold it until this indicator turns on. Next, we have to use this button and also click and hold it until indicators on the left and the right side starts blinking. It's not good visible actually on the camera, but you will find the two dots right here and they are blinking. So it means that we are in the pairing mode with our headphones, so we can simply move to the system settings. Next we have to go to the Bluetooth, then turn it on by tapping on this switcher and select our Libratone Q Adapt headphones from available devices list. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and at the end I will recommend you to go for the sound settings and just simply take a look for the output and the input and be sure that the Libratone headphones are selected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.